Include a home maintenance book. One of the ways that I distinguished myself from all the rest in my difficult market was to offer things for free. And I never added overhead to my costs. I allowed my clients to purchase their own infrared camera service or purchase their own home maintenance book. So if you include a home maintenance book with every inspection, just raise your inspection fee by $5. The home maintenance book provided by Internet is $2.70. So you can get this and a free cup of coffee paid for by your client. And it helps you communicate all of those home maintenance issue things that you don't have to take your precious time to communicate during the inspection. You don't want to go around and talk about cleaning the gutters, right? So let the home maintenance book provide that information for you. And every chapter of the home maintenance book talks about the standards of practice. This helps reduce your liability by setting the expectation once again to your client about what a home inspection actually is. It also provides about a dozen more reasons to hire you again. So if your client is reading through it, they'll keep thinking, wow, I have to hire that person again to do that. I love home maintenance checks. And you gotta get involved in home maintenance inspections first with including a home maintenance book. And it can be fully customized, again, like this company, and it's also in Spanish. So order just one copy and check it out and see how it looks, see how it feels. And remember, don't purchase the book as overhead. Instead, increase your inspection fee by $5 and allow your clients to purchase their own free book themselves.